In this video I'm dealing with the Sidelight indicator unit. Back in 2015 the backside of the light looked like this. The wiring had definitely seen better days. On these early Minor 1000 models the design comprises a rubber housing with an inner metal light fitting. The glass lens and chrome finisher have to be installed separately into each ring of the rubber housing. The light units, which are attached to the wing either with 3 small self-tapping screws or machine screws and nuts, were in pretty good condition once I'd cleaned them up. Surprisingly, the rubber housings were also okay, definitely showing some signs of age, but not brittle or crumbling. To install the sidelights, I used red rubber grease and Vaseline on the rubber housings to make sure that they were pliable enough to take the glass units and chrome finishes. It helps to use a small screwdriver or similar to ease the glass unit into the fitting, but you have to be careful not to damage the rubber or the bodywork. This particular glass light lens was cracked, as you can see, but I do plan to replace it when I buy some parts in the UK this summer. The chrome finisher is installed the same way into the outer part of the rubber housing. I fitted new wiring to the units. Red and green carry the power to the sidelight and the indicator respectively, and black is the earth. I've cheated a bit here. The proper color for the indicator wire is green with a red tracer for the left and green with a white tracer for the right hand side, but I only had solid green, so I used that. These 3 wires feed through the small hole in the inner wing, which is also used by the headlight wiring. I covered the wires with some plastic trunking. I know this is different from what was used in 1959. Maybe Morris wasn't planning to see their cars live this long.